See yourself down here?
I do.
Get up there!
I'm too sure for this.
Let me help her.
Can I beat that thing?
I'll say.
That's a little dangerous. Oh no, my phone. One time. What's up, brother? Okay. Class of 2024. As we stand on the brink of a new chapter in our lives, let's take a moment to reflect on the journey that has brought us here. Look around at your friends and peers and remember all that we've overcome and all the victories that we've celebrated together. Let's embrace the challenges ahead with courage and remember that we possess the power to shape our future. Let's dare to dream boldly, to pursue our passions relentlessly, and to leave a permanent mark on the world. As I'm sure our teachers and administration know after 4 years with us, together we are unstoppable. So my fellow seniors, as we say goodbye to this chapter and embrace the future with open arms, let's stand tall. Let's seize every moment, treasure every memory, and remember to always give our best and then some. Congratulations to the class of 2024.